buy, you give me the cashew nut and almond, why can't you eat it? No, I don't have teeth, I can't bite it. Then conductor was surprised and he asked him, then why did you buy it? I love the chocolates around it. Okay, so you're all cheered up now, and it's time for 2 sessions are over. The final session, Naya Tarika. So to join this Naya Tarika, we are calling on Mr. Ajit Menon. Mr. Ajit Menon is working with DSP BlackRock Investment Managers Private Limited since August 2000, and he has been in the industry for last 15 years in sales with sales experience, and he holds a Bachelor of Commerce and Masters in Management Studies. He's from Mumbai University. Next one is Mr. Vinit Bhatnagar. He's Managing Director, Country Head and Managing Director, Phillip Capital India Private Limited, 20 years of experience in financial market. Next one is Mr. Sharat Singh. He is CEO, Valify Solutions. He's working with regarding the new tools, because the Tarika, we are talking about Tarika, with a lot of new tools for the advisors and new technologies. He has created a lot. He is PGDM from Indian Institute of Management, Ahmedabad. And last but not the least, Mr. John Matthew, our loved one. He is from HDFC for the past 27 years experience. He holds bachelor degree in commerce and post graduation in system management. And I call on Mr. Amit Trivedi to moderate the panel. Amit ji? One more. Yes. No, you can hear. You can be here. This is better. I'll be here. You can give the mic. And
True. Yeah. Can we have mics for? Good evening, everybody. Good evening, everybody. Thank you. I know at 6 o'clock in the evening this is bound to happen, so it's okay. But I thought after current session, people should have been a lot more charged up. Yeah, because he spoke so well, and the analogies that he used were fabulous. Thanks, Karan, for that. I have very nice panel and quite diverse in terms of their where they come from. Vinit is representing a large firm which is into distribution of a lot of products, including Indian products as well as international products across asset classes. We've got Ajit sitting next to him. He is a veteran in the mutual fund industry. He comes from the sales side. Next to him is another veteran from the mutual fund industry. He is on the ops and technology side, John. And finally, while talking about technology, the last guy is a techie. Sharat Singh runs a firm called Valify, which is into analytics of mutual fund products and various other investment products. So we've got quite a diverse panel, and the diversity is about going to discuss about the new tools, the Naya Tarika. We already heard about some of the Naya Tarika. I'll start with Sharad. Sharad, some of the new tools, and you have specialized on especially the analytics and research tools. Now, earlier at some point in time, many of those tools were not easily available or accessible for IFAs in particular, or some of the tools were extremely costly. What are the changes which have happened, and because of that, how can these tools help them in growth?
Okay. Am I audible? Okay. Am I audible? This fine? Okay. I think I'll keep a little loud.
थोड़ा ऊपर ले.
Is it better? Yeah. Okay. So, okay. So, should we start over there, or is it a jinx? Okay. We discussed throughout this session in the morning how equities as an asset class have not been faring well for the past 3-4 years, and now why we should look at it, and why things look much feasible, or they might not when we again look with the hindsight. There is one thing which we should also look at what has happened in the past 4-5 years, how the technology has penetrated and become a part of each of us every day, every moment life. Look at it from 2007 to 2010, markets have gone up and they have crashed, and we are seeing almost zero return or 1%, 2% return for the past 4 years. However, during the same time, look at airlines booking, how we have changed when we look at airlines booking, how the banking has changed altogether. So, I mean, there's almost, I read somewhere, there's almost 700% increase in the number of people who have been using internet banking, ATM transactions and all those kind of things. The point I'm driving at is technology advent many a times makes things possible which were not before that. And this will happen in the investment arena as well. It cannot remain untouched. Typically what happens is, as an economy matures, which an Indian economy is the various phases of maturity which it is going through, of course the time it would take to mature would not be the same that US would have taken, because of again the technology, the dissemination of information, the way things are progressing. But we will definitely see a lot of impact of technology, analytics, usage of data when we talk about the investment arena as such. Data analytics per se, which is my area of expertise, I'm sure if you look at the past three days or 4 days, each one of you would over here would have received a call, सर आपका लॉटरी लगा है, नंबर निकला है और आपको एक क्रेडिट कार्ड या आपको एक ये नया पॉलिसी ऑफर करें. What is that? Essentially, all big organizations have started to use data to find out what to do with various kind of customers. We have been talking about segmentation, putting customers into buckets and then optimizing our costs in terms of building asset allocation for them. What is that? That is a very basic form of analytics. Bring it to the investment arena. There are various things that can be done with data which can definitely better and which can impact a lot of investment decisions that we take. And that is another area which I think has to see a tremendous change, a tremendous benefit from the advent of technology and analytics. If that answers the question.
Okay, thanks. Thanks, Sharad. I think there is a small problem with mic. तो थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम लग रहा है माइक से, या तो ऊपर कर दीजिए शरद, especially in your case. Can I request all three of you to just check whether you're audible or not?
Check 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
Check.
That's not on. ये सर का just take on नहीं है. Yeah. नहीं, माइक ऑन नहीं है. हैंड माइक दे दो फिर.